Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to have a little Nykaa haul. All the things that I ordered from the Nykaa Pink Beauty Sale, and of course I'm gonna leave the prices, the original price and the price that I got on the screen because I don't really remember and I'm recording on my phone, so I can't give you on the spot prices. So I'm gonna leave it on the screen. Also, I'm gonna be linking the products or mentioning the products down in the description so you can see from there. And yeah, now let's just start. Alright, so I know the Pink Beauty sale has gotten over a long time ago, and I shot this video when the sale was actually going on, so it was like second day or something, and I am uploading this video very late. I know, I'm very sorry. So now the very first product is a sunscreen. Okay, so I've used a lot of sunscreens and all of them just give that white grayish cast even under makeup or without makeup. They just give that and I don't like that, so I really wanted to try a new one. So I called for Neutrogena Ultrasheer sunscreen, and this is actually SPF 50 plus, which is really nice, and also it is water resistant, which is like if you go to the beach or anything, it is perfectly safe. So I've been using it for like a week and I can't really say for sure because I've just been using it for 1 week, but I feel like it's really nice. It is moisturizing also, that I can definitely say. It is really nice in terms of moisture, and the texture of it is very smooth and it just glides on the skin smoothly. I think it is a nice product, but I am gonna update you in like a month. Alright, coming on to next product. So it is like the most awaited and my favorite product that I called for in the beauty sale. So it is a Dot & Key lip plumping mask. I know you can't see very well because it is a very like light pink and it is written with white, so you can't really see on the screen. So it is a lip plumping mask with vitamin C plus E. I needed to try this because I needed something like lip plumping. I'm sorry, I know it is very controversial topic, but I just love that look or that feel on me, whatever. I just like how it turns out, like lip plumping products. Okay, so I use the Too Faced lip injection regularly and it gives me that tingling effect and that like weird sensation, which is okay because after that I'm happy with how my lips look. But I needed something very like moisturizing yet plumping so I found this Dot & Key lip plumping mask, and look at how cute is this. Wait, yeah, I mean this is so cute and I've been using it for a week and a half. Must buy, I'm telling you. So it comes with a lid right here, and here's the product. Can you see? I have actually used a lot of it because I just love it so much. And you know, you might think that this is a really small tub for such a big price. It's not at all that pricey. It is drugstore, but like, you know, you get it, like medium pricey. So but I got it on offer, so you might think that this is a really tiny tub, but for lips, how much do you need in one go? You know, it's not full face, it's just a lips. And yeah, it is a really nice product. I've been using it and I've been loving it, like loving it. You can actually see with the quantity that I've used, so I would definitely recommend you to buy this one. Alright, next thing is my go-to. I really needed it. So it is the Colorbar nail polish remover. Mine was over, so I just repurchased it. It is a really nice one. It doesn't really damages the nails like others do. They just make your nails very, I don't know, like disturbed. Like the texture gets really shitty after using all those nail polish removers, like the local ones that we use. I'm not shitting on the local brands, it's not like that. Some of them are really good, but just from my personal experience, I just like the Colorbar nail polish remover, so I got it. I repurchased it. So next we have the Bronson beauty blenders. Okay, so I know Bronson is not very like talked about brand in terms of makeup tools, but I really wanted to try it because I have heard some nice stuff about it and I just really wanted to try. And plus in the sale it was for like 100 rupees per blender, which is like, come on, because pack and all they just give like 500 rupees for a blender, which is the normal price range for blenders, so we can't actually judge if it is pricey or not. But I just really wanted to try this beauty blender, so I just called it. Now of course we're gonna try and see. So the next product is, are you ready for this one? So the next product is MAC Prep-Less Prime Fixless, and I got two of them because, okay, they were in a combo, and this is the original one, by the way. So they were in a combo for such a price. I mean, MAC would never do that actually. So it was like, one is for like 2000 and even more, I think, and both of them combined they were like 3000 something, and I was like, what? MAC did this? So I just called it for a combo because I needed to keep like in stock, because I am running out of my current bottle, so I needed to repurchase eventually. So I just called for this combo because it was a really good one. I'll just leave the prices right here. Alright, next one is a mascara. Okay, so I really wanted a drugstore mascara to use for like everyday use, basically. Like, I go for shopping or my makeup classes now. I just needed like a mascara that I can, you know, apply it very often and not, you know, waste money like that. So I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara a lot, but it is pricey and it is just not, you know, sensible to purchase the mascara in like, you know, 2-3 months, because I just use a lot. So yeah, I got for the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. Wait, yeah, this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and I have used this before. I like it. It is decent. It is satisfactory. So yeah, I just called for it. Okay, so the next product that I got was the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. So this is my go-to face wash since years now. It has been like 8-9 years of me using this, and I cannot get enough still. I love it. Like, it's not at all like extra mild that doesn't do anything, or extra harsh that just ruins the skin texture. It is just fine. It is just the best. And it is drugstore, so it is very affordable, so I really don't have any complaints for this face wash. I really love it. I think this is my 100th bottle of like, I just use it constantly. I have been using it all my life. I trust it fully. Next, okay, so the person I am taking makeup classes right now, Farzana Khusro ma'am, she suggested this product, so I called for it. This is the Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer. This is silicone based, I think, because I needed a silicone based primer, a really good one, because I've used Nykaa Prep-Less Prime and Prep Me Up, I'm sorry. Yeah, so I just needed like a good primer, and Nykaa was okay, but like, you get it, you know. I don't want to say anything bad, but it was okay. And now I just wanted to try the Colorbar one because Farzana ma'am, she was just talking about it a lot and she really likes it. So yeah, I'll use it because I haven't even opened it. I was waiting to shoot the video and then like try all the products nicely. So yeah, we are gonna test this. So the next items are What could it be? Any guesses? Okay, so I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but I keep my nails updated all the time. So I'm actually very fond of nail paints, nail arts and everything. So I called for two nail paints. Both are in like the tones of pink. I know, I just love pink, you can't help it. So these are the Nykaa Masaba nail paints. So the first one is face palm. Yeah, this is face palm and this is buzzkill. So I have used buzzkill before. I had it, I finished it and I called for a new one. But I haven't used face palm till now. So I actually like this color. This is like very youthful summer pink and it is summer, so I really liked it, so I called for it. And these were also very much on sale, I want to say, because these were like 90. Yeah, I remember it correctly. These were like 90 for one nail paint and the Nykaa nail paints are for like 180 and something. So 90 rupees. This nail paint by Masaba, I have used it before, I loved it, so I was like 90 rupees are nothing for this, so I called for it. So the next product is very special, my obsession actually. It is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Oh my god, like this has an interesting story behind it. So as you know, I am in process makeup artist right now, so I really need to buy, you know, eyeshadow palettes and every other makeup products. So I was just scrolling through Huda Beauty and I was like, Rose Quartz is on 50% off. 50% on Huda Beauty. Is that like possible ever? So that was I was like, sub job hard mein, I need to order this one. I mean, who doesn't love sale? You know, please don't like judge me for all this, but who just doesn't love sale? So Huda Beauty is never on like 50% off. 50% off is like a very big deal for Huda Beauty. How beautiful. I can't get over the packaging. So initially this palette is for 5,500 something, like around 6,000. But on sale, 50% off, I got it for 2,500 or something. And I was like, wow. I couldn't, I was just so excited. I know I'm overreacting. You might think I'm overreacting, but I'm just that crazy about makeup and the makeup products. Can you see how beautiful? Wait, you shouldn't see me, but can you just look? How beautiful is this? Like, I can't get over this one. No, sorry, this one. This is Cosmic Love and Love Stone right here, and Happiness. These are so beautiful. Like, I have no words, and I love how creative she is. Like, look at the names. This is Quartz, the rose quartz. Then this is Aura, Gratitude, Cosmic Love, Empowered, Joy, Happiness, Blissful, Cherished, Love Stone, Energized, Precious. Like, these are so amazing names. Like, you can just read and feel like the happiness, you know. I know it is very lame for some people, but only the makeup lovers and makeup junkies can, you know, relate with me. So this is Mantra, Serenity, Abundance, Moon Magic, Radiate, Self-Love. Self-love is, I love this name. And like the word in, I just love like self-love, joy, empowered, gratitude, energized, precious. I just love all these names, and she has created such a beautiful palette. Like, what can you need more? Like, I can't get over this palette ever, and I haven't used it once, and I don't even want to use it because it's just so nice. I don't want to like ruin it or anything. I just want to keep it like my baby. Alright, so the next product is not a makeup item or makeup tool or anything. It is a hairstyle machine. Alright, so I had straighter, blow dryer, everything. I just didn't had curler, and that is like, I love curls. Even though I love straight hair on me, but I love curls in general. So I really wanted to invest in the Ikonic curling tong. So I got that. Wait, I'll show you. So the only problem is that I just curled my hair and these are like very unfinished, so don't go on the look, but I just like this unfinished curled look, so that's why I did that. I didn't do like proper curls like the bridal curls that they do. I don't like that. I just like loose voluminous curls. So I just need to check if the machine is cooled down because I don't want to burn myself. So I'm gonna be back. Alright, so here it is. This is the Ikonic curling iron in CT28. So I don't like very tight curls. I don't like very big girls. I don't like very big curls. I just like these loose voluminous curls. So CT28 was the best model for it, and this is the curler. I am really sorry that it's not packed and everything, but I just used it, so that is why. This is it, and I really like it. So this is the screen where you can see like how much it has heated, like its temperature, and this is plus, minus, and the power button right here. And it is very handy to use. I really liked it while curling. I didn't burn myself at all, even though I was using a curler for the very first time today. Second time actually. I used one on my farewell. So I was using it for a very after a very long time. For the second time, I didn't burn myself. Very proud of myself. But this curler is really comfortable to use, trust me. If you want any curler, go for this one blindly, please. And it is a great investment, let me tell you. For your lifetime, if you keep this in a good condition, it is gonna last you forever. Like, what else do you need? For like 2000 something, it is really nice. Just please invest in it. So this is all I got from Nykaa Pink Beauty Sale, but here are some freebies. Okay, so the first freebie that I got was by MAC. This is the Skin Canvas Balm. It is basically a moisturizing cream, but it is a sachet. Like, you can't expect more from MAC, I'm sorry. And the next we got the Nykaa pouch, signed by Janhvi Kapoor. I love Janhvi Kapoor. This is the Nykaa pouch, the free Nykaa pouch that we got, and the moisturizing sachet that we got from MAC. Okay, so this was it. This was the Nykaa Pink Beauty Sale haul for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I helped you a little bit for the product knowledge. And if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you would wish to see from me next, and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care, bye.